91 years old. 65 years together. One bill that changed everything. $940. Tell me, what would you do? 91, she barely walked the floor. Same old house, but it don't feel like before. George in the bed, heart fading slow. 65 years, but it's time to go. Used to be laughter inside that home. Now it's just silence, they suffer alone. Pension too small, bills too high. Every single day just watching them die. Doctor said medicine keep them alive, but insurance gone, they couldn't survive. She hold his hand, try not to cry, knowing each night could be goodbye. Tell me, what would you do when love ain't enough to pull you through? When every door is closed inside and you're losing them night after night. She came back to the pharmacy, no place to turn. No money left, but the pain still burns. Desperation heavy in her shaking hands, trying to survive in a world she don't understand. Pharmacist turned for a moment away. That's all it took to change that day. She grabbed the bottle, no sound, no fight. Slipped it in her purse, out of sight. She hadn't even reached that final door. Footsteps behind her, hitting the floor. Caught at the exit, nowhere to hide. Sirens and panic on every side. 91 years old, hands in cuffs. Crowd standing silent, life getting rough. Charge on the spot, no mercy shown. Armed robbery for trying to save her own. Tell me, what would you do when love ain't enough to pull you through? When every door is closed inside and you're losing them night after night. Hospital gown in a cold courtroom light. Chains on her wrists in the early morning night. Judge looks down, sees what's become a broken old woman with nowhere to run. I didn't know what else to do, she said. He's all I have left, barely lifting her head. 65 years now, ending this way, with nothing but silence and bills left to pay. Room goes quiet, nobody moves. Even the law feels like it disapproves. But rules don't bend when life falls apart, and mercy don't always win in the heart. $940. 65 years. And a love that couldn't be saved.